Hai, selamat datang. I'm Andy. I'm a policymaker. I work for the Indonesian government, and we are now dealing with the environmental issue.
I am Lilian Kengla, a gender expert from Cameroon, and I work on gender issues in agriculture and natural resource management.
Hi, I'm Jerónimo. I'm from Colombia. I am an agricultural scientist, and I'm working in a biodiversity research institute concerning agricultural and riverine systems analysis.
Hallo, guten Tag. I'm Claudia from Germany, but I'm now living in Mexico doing my PhD on agrobiodiversity and traditional land use systems in Mexico.
Hola, my name is Walter Rivera. I am from Bolivia, but I am working at Ecuador in environmental issues related with law and biodiversity.
Manauna, I am Flores Razafimeva from Madagascar. I work as environmental specialist for biodiversity conservation.
Hola, my name is Jose Ferrer. I come from Venezuela, and I work monitoring the biotic response to environmental change in neotropical regions.
We are an international and interdisciplinary group of young professionals. We are faced with common problems in natural resource management.
We want to respond rapidly to these problems, as we want to be part also actively of solving the problems of society. Here we are developing ideas and approaches to solve these problems sustainably, and therefore we want to ask you to join us and be part of the change.
Join us!